Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact park camera model and locating its wiring diagram so you avoid wrong connections. Once done, gather Torx bits, trim pry tools, a multimeter, and electrical tape. These let you remove panels and test circuits safely. Make sure to park on level ground and disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Now remove interior trim carefully to reveal the camera harness. You want full access before unplugging anything, so you can trace each wire and note connector orientation. With the harness exposed, unplug it and document pin positions. Take a clear photo so you can restore wiring precisely. Next, remove retaining screws and release any retaining clips to extract the old camera assembly. Be gentle to avoid damaging surrounding trim or the monitor cable. Install the new camera by aligning its housing and lens to the factory mounting points, then hand start screws and torque to spec. Once tightened, reconnect the harness temporarily, and test the video feed before reassembling trim to ensure correct orientation. Finish by reinstalling trim panels, reconnecting the battery negative, and powering the vehicle to confirm the image, guidance lines, and night mode work. If you get no image, make sure to check 12V power at the camera, a good ground and video continuity with a multimeter. Poor crimping or a damaged coax often causes loss of signal. For image issues like glare or tilt, clean the lens, adjust the camera angle slightly, and tighten its mount. If problems persist, swap in the old unit to isolate wiring versus camera faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.